Alright guys, in this video we'll see how easy it is to set up a reverse engineering task using LLM. So far I tried several models and only with one I managed to run tasks locally, but they were quite slow. The one that worked was ollama with 8 billion parameters. Keep in mind that we're with 5070 mobile card, which is having only 8 gigabytes of RAM. So here, this time I'm using Cline for the decompilation task. You need to set it up. So from the settings under the model here, you must choose the preferred model that you'd like to use. So that's the way. I'll be using this time MiniMax M3 cloud model. That is quite powerful and it's not retaining any data on their servers. Yes, it runs on the cloud and it has quite a big context. So it makes the debugging fun. So as you can see here under the prompt, I'm writing, could you analyze the specific A binary ELF file using the MCP tools from Ghidra MCP. And here from Beddington, Ghidra MCP, I've downloaded and installed those tools. Basically, you need to have Ghidra and this Ghidra MCP should be working. As you can see, it exposes a lot of tools and you can see it's port 8089. Under file, install extensions, you can find it and install it here by just copying and pasting the files and just clicking on install. Afterwards, you need to restart Ghidra. So this is the project. It's opened here, but I'm using a bridge that's running. So as you can see here, where Ghidra is installed inside of its directory, there is a bridge MCP Ghidra Python script that I'm running on my machine. It exposes 195 tools. They're registered and are able to be used from the Cline. If you click on this icon, manage MCP servers, you can see that the Ghidra MCP is exposed and we can restart it. So if you go to manage MCP servers, then on this configuration icon and configure and click on configure MCP servers, you can see that here I've also specified the Ghidra MCP under the MCP servers. And here as a command, I'm executing Python to run the bridge MCP Ghidra Python script. So this is the official way. If this fails or you have problems with the server because it will be started automatically, then I advise you to run it directly from the command prompt. What you can see from the output is that we're using the exposed tools from the MCP server. So we're using Ghidra MCP. And for example, here the disassemble function that will start for certain address on running a certain program, that will give us a response, and this response afterwards is interpreted by the LLM, and it gives all the reasoning that beforehand you had to do manually. It's an excellent tool for learning reverse engineering because afterwards you can ask questions, and after several runs of the tool, we see that we have even a report of the static reverse engineering. We see the file format, the memory layout, as well as interesting strings and on which addresses they reside. Here we have C version of the main function. So you can literally learn quite a lot about the binary. So that's for now, guys. I hope you like the development of the LLMs. And with this particular information, you can have easier way when analyzing binaries. If you'd like to receive more information on the subject, you can subscribe to the channel. Thank you.